Good morning, my name is Julia. Welcome to the Real Kitchen. This morning we're going to make a protein smoothie. Got my products out here. I haven't done this before, so I'm not sure how it's going to go. I've got a new product here, so I'm going to give it a whirl. I'm going to start with 2 scoops of chocolate protein powder. Ooh. 1 scoop. 2 scoops. A sprinkle of cocoa nibs. Cocoa nibs. Some chocolate flavoring, although it's already chocolate, so it might have a bunch, but a bunch more. Smells yummy. Some hemp seeds. Just a little sprinkle. Maybe too much. Yeah. Now my liquid, a cup, 8 ounces. I did a combination of milk and coffee, so I can make it kind of like a mocha. Don't go above the max line. I'm going to throw in some ice to make it smooth. Up to the max line. Don't go above the max line. I went above the max line. Mayday. I'm not sure how sweet it is, so I'm not going to add any sugar just yet. I'm going to put the lid on. I've got the lid with the blades for ice crunching. Put it on really good and tight. And this is supposed to be good. I don't know. Tight. Now plug in your device. So we've added all of our ingredients, and now we're going to stick it in this container and watch it zap it. It's loud, folks. Okay, so now I'm going to check it and see if it's sweet enough. See if it tastes good, yummy, or if we need to add some butter. I'm kidding. Let's see. Just one of these. One little stevia. I'm gonna just drop in a stevia just because I want it to taste like a little milkshake. Got that coffee in there, so it kind of tastes like a little mocha. Okay, you're gonna do it one more time. Here we go. All right, that should be great. Ugh. And you don't want to run these a long time because they've got a little motor and they overheat real easy. So just unplug it once you're done. Here we go. Ooh, it's filled. And I'm going to put it in a drinking cup. Here we go. Ooh, wow. Ooh, look how thick and yummy. Ooh, that looks yummy. So I want to get all of it, and I'm trying to lose some weight, so this is what we're going to try to do. See if it's yummy, see if it fills me up. Oh, and look at me. So this will be my first show, and I'm going to see how big I am. And then if I stay on this, hopefully you'll see less of me soon. Thank you for joining me. Cheers.